Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check how to fix the "This account might include sensitive content" warning on X, Twitter. If you're new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll show you the steps in a simple way. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a browser like Safari or Chrome. You cannot change this setting from the X app. Step 2. Go to twitter.com. Please open your app to see this link and log into your account. Stay on the browser. Do not switch to the app. Step 3. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap Content You See. Step 5. Enable the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Once enabled, you'll now be able to view sensitive content both in the browser and in the X app. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.